In this video, we'll explore the Masonry theme, one of the hot themes on JSN ImageShow. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via the component menu item. In the Showcase Manager page, you can create a new showcase or edit an older showcase. In the Showcase Settings page, make sure all the settings on the General tab are saved. Go to the Theme tab in Install New Theme. Click on the Masonry theme to download and install. All the Masonry theme settings will be shown. In JSN ImageShow Masonry theme, the parameters are separated in 3 groups located in the tabs: Image, Caption, and Layout. Let's start with the Image parameter, which allows you to set image presentation and interaction. Image Source to select the image source to present. Next is Border Thickness to set the thickness of the thumbnail border. Rounded Corner to set the rounded corner of each thumbnail. And Border Color to select the color of the thumbnail border. Finally is Click Action to set the action after clicking an image. It can be No Action, Show Original Image, or Open Image Link. In Open Image Link mode, when the user clicks on an image, its link will be opened within the browser. Next is the Caption parameter. It allows you to set the title and description of the showcase. Show Caption defines whether to show or hide the caption in the lightbox image. Background Color to set the color of information panel background. Panel Opacity to set the opacity. Show Caption Title and Caption Description defines whether to show or hide title text and description in the lightbox image. Title and Description CSS allows you to set CSS styling to be applied to the title and description text. Finally, Description Length Limitation to set a limit to the words for descriptions. The last one is Layout parameter to set the layout, transition, and pagination type of the showcase. Layout type to select the layout of the showcase. There are fixed and fluid. Column width aligns items in a horizontal grid. Gutter adds horizontal and vertical space between item elements. Use Fit Width to set the width of a container to fit the available number of columns, based on the size of the container's parent element. Transition Duration allows you to set the duration of transition when items change position or appearance. And finally is Pagination Type to select the pagination type of the showcase. There are All, Infinite Scroll, and Load More. With Infinite Scroll and Load More types, you need to enter the number load image. Don't forget to click the Save button after finishing all your settings. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.